It was a mild day today, a high of 56 degrees this afternoon in Lafayette, and a couple of our southern locations reached into the lower 60s, but because of a weak cold front that pushed through the area, now temperatures are starting to fall a bit. We're now sitting at 54 degrees in Lafayette under mostly clear skies, winds out of the north at 10 miles per hour, and temperatures currently in the 50s, 56 degrees in Rossville, 54 in Kokomo, currently 54 degrees as well up in Rensselaer. And we have this area of high pressure. That's going to be our main weather pattern through the weekend. We'll stay dry, expecting mostly clear skies for tonight and also throughout much of the day tomorrow. But here's a look at our futurecast overnight. See very little cloud cover, and that will allow temperatures to drop quite a bit overnight. And because of that dry cold front, that's going to provide temperatures much cooler tomorrow, but at least we'll stay dry for Sunday. And then we're expecting a rain snow mix by the time we reach Monday, as another system does push into the region. But this evening we'll drop into the 40s, 41 degrees by 10, and then eventually 38 by midnight tonight under mostly clear skies throughout the evening. We'll drop to 29 in Lafayette and Delphi, 27 up in Winnemac, and staying in the lower 30s for our southern counties, overnight low of 32 degrees in Crawfordsville. For tomorrow, much cooler start to the day, 29 degrees with wind chills just near 20, still seeing mostly clear skies throughout the morning and then mostly sunny skies for the afternoon. 41 degrees by noon with a high of 47 by 4 o'clock. So we are expecting much cooler high temperatures for tomorrow, 47 in Lafayette and Delphi, 46 in Logansport, and with a high of 47 degrees as well for Fowler. And we do have that area of high pressure settling into the region, keeping us dry throughout the day Sunday and also into the evening. But notice by Monday morning another system moves in, bringing us a chance once again some lighter snow showers and a little bit of wintry mix throughout the day Monday. We're not expecting much snow out of this. It looks like less than an inch, especially for our northern counties, with temperatures dropping once again by Monday. Only a high of 41 degrees, 48 by Tuesday, rebounding to 64 by Wednesday. That'll be our warmest day of the week, and then temperatures fall once again because of another cold front, and that will allow temperatures to drop by next weekend. But tonight we'll drop to 29 degrees, mostly clear skies. It'll be another chilly night. Winds out of the northeast between 5 to 10 miles per hour with a high of 47 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Mostly sunny, but it is going to be cooler. Winds still out of the northeast between 5 to 10 miles per hour with that chance for a wintry mix on Monday. Snow showers during the morning, but as temperatures warm up, we should transition to some lighter rain showers. Chance for rain on Tuesday, 48 degrees for the high, 64 by Wednesday with a chance for some scattered thunderstorms, with temperatures cooling off Thursday. Another chance for some lighter lingering rain showers, and by Friday and Saturday of next week, temperatures will be cooler but at least dry out.